Welcome to the Bella. This is our very last home available now in our gated neighborhood via Fiore at Copper River Ranch. This home sits on a huge golf course lot and is even located in a cul-de-sac. Has direct gate access to the trails. It features 3 bedrooms plus a home office, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage on a 42-foot driveway. Let's go take a look. As you step through this beautiful wrought iron front door, you'll pass by a bedroom and full bathroom just off the entry, and you'll even pass by the home office. Now, as we make our way into this open concept living space, you'll step into this gourmet kitchen that features granite countertops, a built-in wine rack, dark cabinets, a beautiful full tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances including a 5-burner gas cooktop, a microwave, and you even have a large corner step-in pantry. And as we step into this open concept living space, you'll find the perfect dining area that features this amazing 12-foot sliding glass door that allows for tons of natural light into your great room. Plus, you even have custom built-in shelving and a fireplace. And just across the kitchen island, you have additional glass shelving above and even more storage down below. Let's go check out the master. This master bedroom features private access to the back patio, and you're steps away from a true oasis. This master bathroom features an oversized step-in shower with seat, a beautiful tiled-in tub, and the perfect vanity for getting ready in the mornings. And take a look at this absolutely stunning walk-in closet that features tons of built-in custom shelving and granite countertops. Murray, I'll be here if you need me. You can go film the rest of the house.
You sure? I'm
sure.
All right.
Just kidding. One of my favorite things about this home is this Granville signature feature that combines this large walk-in closet to this spacious laundry room that even has the perfect craft area and tons of shelving for additional storage. And just off the laundry, you have the connection to the garage, an extra bedroom, and a full bathroom. And take a look at this incredible backyard that features custom tile planters and sits right on the 13th hole of the Copper River Golf Course. This former model home is available now in our Via Fiore gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and sits on a huge golf course lot right here on the Copper River Golf Course. Plus, it includes some incredible designer features and upgrades that you're gonna love. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.